If I can't see damage, my roof is fine. That single myth costs Texas homeowners more money than almost any other misconception about storm damage. Today, we're separating roofing fact from roofing fiction because what you believe about your roof directly affects what your insurance company pays you for it. Myth 1, if there's no visible damage, the roof is fine. Fact, hail and wind damage can compromise your roof's integrity without ever being visible from the ground. That's exactly why a professional inspection after a storm matters. Not because you're paranoid, but because the damage that actually costs you money is often the damage you can't see. Myth 2, insurance covers all roof repairs after a storm. Fact, policies come loaded with exclusions, high deductibles and depreciation clauses that quietly shrink your payout. There may be waivers or limits buried in your policy that keep you from being made whole, and you won't know they're there until you're relying on them. Myth 3, you have to use the roofing company your insurer recommends. Fact, you have the right to choose your own roofer. Some insurers are starting to write language into policies that pushes you toward their preferred companies, a practice worth watching closely because it can affect the quality and durability of your repair. Myth 4, a new roof automatically means higher premiums. Fact, replacing a damaged roof with impact-resistant materials can actually lower your rates in many cases. And here's something important. Insurance companies are legally barred from retaliating against you, meaning they can't drop your coverage or single you out for a rate hike simply because you filed a claim. When rates do increase, they're usually due to your local area's risk assessment. So how does this connect to a denied or underpaid claim? These myths are exactly what insurers count on. This is the delay, deny, undervalue playbook. Delaying your claim while damage sits unaddressed. Denying by pointing to policy exclusions you didn't know existed. And undervaluing by lowballing an estimate that assumes cosmetic damage instead of real functional loss. Here's what actually protects you. Get an inspection even without visible damage. Document everything with photos and dated notes. Review your policy's deductible and coverage limits before you need them. File any claim promptly since most policies have strict windows. And never accept a first settlement offer without a second opinion from your own contractor. Roofing myths aren't harmless. They're exactly what keeps property owners from pushing back when their insurance company shortchanges a legitimate claim. At StormLex Law Group, Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers help homeowners across Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and all of Texas and Oklahoma separate what their policy actually says from what their insurer wants them to believe. If your roof claim was denied or underpaid based on one of these myths, don't accept it as fact. Call StormLex Law Group today and let's get you the coverage you're actually owed.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.